Hey everybody, welcome to another tutorial. Today I will be teaching you how to make a smooth slide transition. If you don't already, follow me on Funimate at edit on Funimate, and you can follow me on Funimate as well, which is just at edit. Now just getting into the editing, I'm going to choose a random picture because the clip we won't be needing, and I'll be sliding it out of the scene completely and changing the background to black. The next thing I'll be doing is adding my first image layer that we want to slide. And I'm editing Emma Chamberlain for this video, and just clicking the image and enlarging it so it's the same size as the clip, like the scene. And you want to go to effect mix and mirror and apply the 9 mirror effect on this image. Now the next thing you want to do is, using your fingers, you want to pinch the screen and enlarge it so it fills the whole screen, so the mirrors aren't showing along the sides. And then just head to the custom section, plus, and then slide down and stop it where you want, and then using the arrows slide it almost near the middle. Now I fidget with this a bit later, but you'll see why this is important. Now I'm going to change it to this path, and as you will see in a second, this is what it looks like. Next we will be adding our second layer, so just tapping image and clicking our other Emma Chamberlain image. We will be enlarging this and doing the exact same thing, adding the 9 mirror effect, which you will see soon. And we want to make sure this fills up the whole scene. And heading to the mirror section in effect mix, we'll just be applying 9 mirror. And then once this is applied, we'll be zooming it in so the mirrors along the sides aren't visible, just like so. And heading straight into the animate section, we should be fixing this up. I think I fidget with this a bit over here. Yeah, I do. So I'm just trying to get it right. So I'm trying to get it to animate after the first scene stops completely, if that makes sense. And I just fixed this up a bit, so you want to adjust it so it looks as smooth as possible. And don't worry if it's not blurred or it doesn't look smooth, because we will be fixing that post editing this, which I'll show you in a moment. So just going to position in custom, setting it to the right, since we're sliding in from the left, I believe, to the right, yep. So going from left to right again, just like so, and you want to adjust it so the mirrors on the top and the bottom aren't visible. And we're going to make it with that path, just like so. And we now have our transition. And I'll show you again. Sorry, no, I actually won't. So just saving it to your private projects, you're going to go back and make sure you save it to your camera roll, plus edit a video, select it, and then using Funimate's pre-made transitions, sorry. You want to cut it right at when it starts at the second scene and add the blur effect. And you want to add this one like so. And as you can see, you get a really smooth transition, and it's kind of cool. Anyway, this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, follow me for more tutorials. Well, subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting more tutorials. Watch me edit, and you will be able to see my Funimate edits on here as well. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye guys.